Here's the home at 540 Canary Island, just to give you a quick scan of the community. So coming in, this is your view. Over here, this is the formal. And to my left here, we've got bedroom number 1. Vaulted ceiling. This is considered a bedroom because we've got the reach-in closet here. Any room with a closet is a bedroom here in Florida. To the right, this is the dining room. Nice big high ceilings, double tray ceiling. There's some bedrooms back there, kitchen, and straight ahead some little cubbies in the living room. Got the breakfast nook there. Little dining room area, not dining room, breakfast nook to put your table, but I know that, you know, a lot of people don't want to do a double table with the dining room nowadays. 48-inch cabinets. So just coming through this way, again, front door in front of us now. We've got the master bedroom here. But to the right, we've got the laundry room. High vaulted ceiling in here as well. Coming out to the garage. As I hear you'll be using this for storage, so not a huge garage, as they definitely are not in Florida. Double doors to the master bedroom. To the right is the bathroom. Separate little pocket door area with the commode. And double sinks, one to the left and to the right. Got the high ceilings in here and the garden tub with the shower. Better view of the master bedroom. We have sliders out to the lake back here and the pool. So we'll go out those doors through the living room to get a better look from there. Got a little paved area here. Put some chairs out here with your barbecue. Got a covered area here. Okay, we have your other bedrooms over here to the right. Again, front door straight in front of us. Here we've got bedroom number 1. bathroom with the tub. And bedroom number 2. And that's basically it.